Hey, this is Matt Scott from AVNation.tv. We're here in Dallas, Texas at CEDIA 2015, and we are in the lovely Lutron booth with my good friend David Weinstein. How are you, sir?
Excellent, Matt. How are you today?
I'm doing fantastic. So, I know you've got a lot of new stuff coming at the show. Tell us a little bit about what you're showing and what you've got.
Sure. You know, at a high level, we're focusing on new innovations on the wall, new innovations in the window, and new innovations in the ceiling with our LED lighting fixtures.
Very nice.
I think one of the most significant enhancements to our system is around a concept that we call Lutron Connect.
Okay.
Lutron Connect allows us now to deliver a free app, which we're going to call the Lutron Connect app.
Okay.
Free cloud remote services.
Very
and
nice.
The ability to get into the first phase of our Lutron Connect value proposition,
okay,
which is around geofencing,
right,
remote access, time clock, and widgets.
Okay.
Now, the beauty of this product, you know, we've got all the ability now through this Connect bridge that you tie into your router,
right,
and then, you know, that also work with your repeater system for Radio Route 2.
Okay.
Or this would also plug in through your router to your HomeWorks QS processors.
Okay.
So we have enhanced applications now, time clock syncing, you know, of course, Apple and Android widgets.
Right.
But the beauty is we can now offer a free app.
Very nice.
Free cloud service.
Very nice.
And deliver the level of functionality and control and higher level of options in terms of control that we really introduced many of these into our CEDIA wireless product,
right,
as you know, last year.
Yes.
People were saying, hey, why can't
isn't
you do
this
it
in
for
Radio
HomeWorks
Route
and
2?
Route 2? You know, conceptually very simple question.
Right.
From an engineering perspective, a little more complex.
Correct.
Because we're operating off of different hardware and software platforms. The Lutron Connect bridge is the solution.
Okay.
And this list price at $300, so it's very,
fantastic,
very affordable. So really we want to move people in the Lutron Connect direction,
right,
with this technology.
Beautiful. And as you said, this is bringing all of that smart bridge technology that we've seen in CEDIA and our clients love in CEDIA and bringing it into the higher end systems, correct?
Absolutely.
Fantastic. All right, so we've moved over. We're looking at the graphic tee. This came out last year, correct?
Absolutely.
So I know that with our interior designers, they love this product, but again, it kind of stood by itself. So I see you've kind of added some updates to that. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Sure. As you said, last year this came out as a local dimmer,
right,
an RF dimmer, and a wired slider for our HomeWorks product.
Yes.
And it is C.L, so it does,
right,
you know, screw-in dimmable LED, screw-in compact,
right,
and halogen and incandescent loads.
Right.
We're now moving into adding and building this out as a whole family.
Okay.
So now we have graphic tee keypads. These are hybrid keypads.
Very nice.
And these allow us to complete the whole project,
right,
and deliver really a total family now, which not only includes preset controls, but GFIs, USB receptacles that match the aesthetic.
Beautiful.
This very contemporary and minimalist aesthetic that we've established for graphic tee.
Very nice. So these will come pre-configured, correct? We can order them pre-configured?
Yes, so you can come pre-configured with engraving, exactly. Okay. And these will work with Radio Route 2 as well as HomeWorks.
Oh, that's fantastic. So it's really giving us a single product that we can use on both lines as we go.
Exactly.
So dealers can stock one device, order one device in, and be good to go.
Yeah, and really, we talked about the Connect Bridge earlier, which is a very powerful enhancement to the software side.
Definitely.
You know, that in conjunction with the graphic tee, personally, I think this is a way to really reignite the value proposition of Radio Route 2.
Right, very nice. Okay, so if we move over a little bit more, this is something that we've seen just recently, and I gotta say, every designer I show this to absolutely loves this product.
So this is our new Palladium. We actually showed this last year at CEDIA.
Right.
We weren't prepared to ship it, but now we're in a position for an official introduction and shipping shortly after the show. So Palladium is a sleek, minimalist control.
Right.
You'll notice the clean lines between the buttons and the faceplate.
Yep.
And you'll also notice that the buttons and the faceplate are the same finish.
Right.
So these are offered in glass, in metal, and non-metallic finishes.
Okay.
And like the new graphic tee expanded family, we have matching USB and GFI receptacles.
Beautiful.
You know, we're really long overdue to get in the USB port business, and we're very excited about that. This Palladium line is very specific to the HomeWorks business because it's a wired keypad.
Okay.
But, you know, again, the design community embraces this aesthetic, and this really helps to expand the value of the HomeWorks system in terms of aesthetics and cognition and ergonomics.
Very nice. Okay, so we've now moved over in front of a massive shade.
Absolutely.
Now, we know that you guys have had battery power shades. You were pretty much the first one on the market with an effective battery power shades. I know I've sold a couple of them. Very nice, we love them a lot. This one's gigantic. Tell me a little bit about this one.
Yes, so we're very, very excited about our new triathlon wider battery-powered shade. This product can be built up to 12 feet by 12 feet.
That is gigantic.
Battery-powered and will last up to 5 years based on 2 ups and 2 downs a day with what we call battery boost technology, which increases battery life by up to 80%.
Wow.
Now, one of the things we do with this product... Yeah. Oh, all right.
Sorry about that.
How you doing?
I'm just gonna get out the hang of it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so we can just jump back in whenever you're ready.
All right.
Once.
Oh, it's
It was about to run that way. You're good. Okay, so this shade is very large. This is a big move away from the traditional 8x8 restrictions we were used to. So tell me a little bit more about it.
Sure. So this is our new triathlon wider shade. We've built this to allow us to offer battery-powered solutions of shades that are up to 12 feet wide and 12 feet tall.
Wow.
The most significant enhancement of this product is the ability to build a shade this large, no deflection, very, very lean.
Right.
Roll-up diameter is under 3 inches.
Fantastic.
And I can get 3 to 5 year battery life, actually up to 5 years, based on 2 ups and 2 downs a day, using our new battery boost technology, another innovation. And one of the ways we do this, by the way, is through our Clear Connect technology that I know we use, we use in our Radio Route 2 and our Homeworks wireless products. This allows us to build in a circuit that in standby mode only consumes less than 1/1000th of a watt. So
fantastic.
that selective hearing process allows us to build in very long life because it's not waking up because it thinks it hears something.
Right.
So it's a very, very good product. It's a great wire-free solution for retrofit applications. And now we have a scalability, with our Serena insulated honeycomb shades, our Serena roller shades, our triathlon or integratable insulated honeycomb shades and roller shades, and now moving up to the wider, which gets us to a massive 12 by 12 foot shade
that is gigantic.
that hangs very nicely and doesn't have any deflection issues.
Beautiful. All right, so for more information on everything that we've talked about today, people can find that at lutron.com?
Yes, go to lutron.com. We also have a Pleasance app. If you have an Apple device, an iPad,
I have that app.
You can download the Pleasance app. It'll have all new information
Right.
about what we're showing at CEDIA, as well as all of our support resources that can help our dealers and installers to do a job.
Very nice. Well, thank you so much for your time. I greatly appreciate it.
Thank you, Matt.
For more information and more videos from the show, please visit avnation.tv.